I listened to you and I got myself a sunrise alarm clock. It is so cute. Look at this. Lights up and it rotates. Oh, it's so cute. It comes with different colors. Cute, right? It comes with different sounds that I can make. And basically, like, it's supposed to wake you up slowly. So this will get brighter throughout your alarm. So like this, and then this. So freaking cute. And you can set like 1 alarm or 2 alarms. I have it as 2 alarms. And that is the time. And it's cool because it's gonna slowly, gradually wake you up.